While it's important to approach the idea of making money with a realistic and ethical mindset, there are some methods that might be considered lazy, in the sense that they require less active effort compared to traditional employment or entrepreneurial ventures. However, it's crucial to note that there's no guaranteed way to make money without at least some level of effort or risk. Here are 5 methods that might be considered more passive or low effort. 1. Online surveys and reviews. Participating in online surveys, market research, or writing product reviews can provide a small income. Websites and apps like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Amazon's Mechanical Turk offer such opportunities. Keep in mind that the income from these sources is usually modest. 2. Cashback and reward programs. Utilize cashback apps and reward programs when making regular purchases. Platforms like Rakuten, Honey, or cashback credit cards can help you earn a percentage of your spending back in cash or rewards. While not a substantial income source, it's a way to get something back from your routine expenses. 3. Investing in dividend stocks or index funds. Investing
This woman is blessed. No matter what obstacles she faces, she finds a way to make it through. She's a survivor and a champion. There's nothing that can be done or said to take that away from her.
research and some risk, but it can be relatively hands-off once you've made your investments. 4. Renting out assets. If you have extra space or possessions, consider renting them out. This could include renting a room on Airbnb, your car through platforms like Turo, or even equipment you own. Keep in mind the associated responsibilities and potential legal requirements. 5. Creating and selling digital products. Develop digital products like ebooks, online courses, or stock photos and sell them on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, Udemy, or Shutterstock. While creating the products might take some effort up front, once they are available for sale, they can generate income without constant maintenance. It's important to approach these methods with realistic expectations. Most of them won't make you rich overnight, and they might not provide a stable income. Always be cautious of scams and unethical practices. While looking for ways to make money, consider gaining skills or exploring opportunities that align with your interests and long-term goals.